Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we will be breaking down access levels in Taskade and how you can use them to the best of your abilities. With that said, let's jump right into it. Alright, so when we talk of access levels in Taskade, there are many of them that you can choose while adding your team members to a workspace, a folder, or even a project. To view these options, simply add your teammates to a new project or workspace, or go to an existing project and navigate to the top right and hit on the image of any one of your teammates. Once you do that, you'll get a pop-up menu where you can change the access levels of every team member in that project. You can choose from a variety of options. The first one is admin or owner. Now think of this like the highest access level as the name suggests. With this level, a user can fully configure and edit projects and manage billing for that workspace as well. Next up, we have editor. This level allows the user to create and edit projects and templates but does not give access to that person to the workspace settings. Then we have checker. Checker, as the name implies, allows a user to check, uncheck and comment on tasks only. No editing perks are given at this level. Last but not least, we have viewer. This access level allows a user to only comment on tasks and chat in projects and no other features. Now these access levels allows all Taskade users to fine-tune exactly what kind of role their team members play in a project and make sure that there is a hierarchy and structure to the work being done. This can help business owners or teams delegate tasks effectively and create a smooth and seamless work experience. And that's how you truly make use of the fascinating access level feature in Taskade. We hope that this video helped you enhance your Taskade experience, and we'll definitely be back with a new video soon. Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.